Hello, welcome back to Carbonwurks. Today we've got this F-Series BMW 435D Gran Coupe in the workshop. It's here today for one of our Cobra Sport exhaust systems. So this is going to be cosmetic as well as functional performance upgrade. So we're going to change from the single twin exit to a 435 or 440i style single twin exit, one on either side. So it's a change to both the exhaust and the diffuser panel on this car. So if I walk you over here, I'll show you through the parts that we've got. So as you can see, we've got the complete system, which is sort of a half system. So it's a mid-center point back. And then to go with that, we've got this, as supplied by Cobra, a replacement diffuser panel as well. So that's going to go on to give us the single twin exit, one either side. And then the system itself has got the twin, with this particular system, perforated stainless inwardly rolled tips. And then the 3-inch pipe work, which is going to marry up to the original on the car. And again, so yeah, rear half change, rear diffuser change, should hopefully give us a nice subtle sound upgrade as well as the physical appearance change. So stay tuned, bit of B-roll of me getting this on the car, and then we'll show you what it's all about at the end. So that brings us to a close on this Cobra installation. As you can see, the rear end of this 435D Gran Coupe is now wearing a 440 style and performance style twin singular exit each side. It's got the diffuser to match from Cobra themselves as well, which is great. So it's a complete kit. As far as the exhaust goes, as again, it's a mid-center back. So we've cut the original pipe as instructed by them. So measure twice, cut once as always. Then to a smaller rear center silencer, and then the individual adjustable tips, so that gives you a full range of movement to get them set just how you want. You can bring them further out if you wish, but that is how I like to send things out. So all that's left now is for me to go out on road test. We'll do a sound recording for you guys, so stay tuned for that one to see the after noise, and that's about it. So yeah, all happy with how this one's gone on, so looking forward to the customer reaction on this one. Drop your reaction down in the comments. Like, share, subscribe as always, greatly appreciated, and see you on the next one.